Hey Valentina, here is that custom video I told you I would send, and I appreciate you forwarding it to whoever actually needs to see it that would see the benefit of this. Um, if you take what you see here and you decide to implement it on your own, no harm, no foul. If you decide that you need help with further implementation, would be happy to assist with that. Either way, I would appreciate the feedback of whoever actually ends up watching this. Without further ado, going to go into three things. We're going to talk about citations, links, and content. So what I did was I typed in roofer, Mount Juliet, Tennessee, because that's where I noticed your business being. And this is what's come up. You have the Google sponsored or Google guaranteed ads right here. You have the map profile or Google business profiles right here. I see you guys are in the number 2 spot that's not sponsored, which is really good. And then you have the organic search down here. Now, why this matters to you is that anytime somebody searches for a service or um, roof replacement or anything that you guys offer or do, the way that I just did, 90% of those people are clicking on the top 3 spots, whether it's the map pack or the organic search down here. Now, you guys are in the number 2 spot in a lot of ways on the map pack, but in terms of the difference in business that you're getting of people that are clicking in the map pack versus the organic search, around 30% of the people that are clicking in this are clicking on the number 1 spot. It then cuts to about 15% into the number 2 spot where you guys are, then 9% in the number 3 spot, and then it just drastically goes down from there. So the top 3 spots are where you want to be for sure. And then I noticed in the organic search area, you guys were not in the top 3 spots. I saw you guys down here. So going into citations first, citations are one of the key ranking factors when it comes to being in the top 3 spots of the map pack. All a citation is a business directory such as Yelp, Mana, Yellow Pages, Angie's, even Facebook, where your business name, phone number, and address is listed and pointing back to your business. So really, in any case where you guys aren't in the number 1 spot, you want to go and get all the citations of those businesses that are beating you, and then you want to go and get citations on addition to that so that you can start solidly outranking them. That is one of the key ranking factors there. Going into content, content is king as far as Google is concerned for ranking in the organic section. Um, the more content you have, the better as far as Google is concerned, so long as it's relevant to your field and has these keywords and phrases in that content. Um, Taking a look at your website, very nice, clean layout, clear what you guys do, clear what you want people to do. Uh, as far as content's concerned, you guys have a good bit of content on your home page. Google does tend to like seeing 1,500 words or more worth of content on your home page. So if you don't already have that, you would want to add that. Missing content. Another thing is that these images, anytime you have an image that is on your website, you want it to actually be saved as a keyword or phrase that you're trying to rank for. And you can actually put description text behind these images that make with keywords that are harder to put in your content so that you can add to your keywords that you're trying to rank for. Looking at the competitor's site, same thing. They've got a lot of content home page. I can guarantee you that on these images that they are actually redescribing those images as keywords that they're trying to rank for. And I'll show you how I know that here in a second. What I did was I took your website and their website and I put it in a tool we use called Ahrefs. And this shows me the backside of your website and how many people are coming. So we're going to talk about links here. Links are just one big popularity contest when it comes to Google. And they're not all created equal. So if you have a link from, say, a church or a hospital directory, it's not going to give you as many popularity points in the eyes of Google as, say, another roofing company or contracting company says links back to your website. It gives more authority in the eyes of Google when it's relevant to your field. So looking at your website, you have 80 backlinks coming from 42 different websites. You're ranking for 53 keywords. You're in the top 3 for 6 of those keywords, and that's getting you around 82 people every month coming to your website. Definitely not a bad place to be, but I bet we can agree that we always wouldn't mind some more people coming to our website and getting our services. Um, Taking a look at that, one of the competitors, they have 2,300 links coming from 525 different websites. They are ranking for 16,000 keywords, and that's getting them 16,000 people every month coming to their website. Now, they're a big company, and you don't have to go and get all the links and stuff that they have. But you do want to get the ones that are relevant to your business and the areas you serve so that you can get your piece of the traffic that you're missing out on every month, because that's a lot to add to your bottom line for sure. Anyways, I hope this helps. Like I said, you decide to implement it on your own, no harm, no foul. You decide you need help with further implementation, would be happy to discuss. You guys have a good day. Bye-bye.